guys, welcome to our channel How to. Get all answers to your how to questions. Hope you are liking the series of Canva. I have created many videos like how to insert the icons, how to frame your pics, and how to create a QR code, etc. And please, if you are not watched that video, then go and watch that videos. Today I will be showing you how to insert this text box. See, this one element into the post. Okay, for that you have to go to the Canva, create this one size. I will be selecting the 1080. This is recommended size. Then just go for the inserting this type of element into this one. This element is called text box. Okay, text box. Okay, here you will be going to graphics, and here you will be finding this. Okay, text box. See, cool. This is a very useful element because this gives a very wonderful effect to the post. Okay, from here I will be selecting all these both the colors, this one color black and yellow. Okay, I will be selecting this red and this two black. See, I have selected. Now I have to add the text into this text box. For that I will be using text and add a heading, and here you will be typing your text. Okay, like demo Canva series. Okay, from here you will be setting the alignment series. Okay, and here you will be resizing this text box and increase the size and setting this to into this one from here, or you can set the font size from this one also, and change the color from this text by clicking on text, then text color, and this one. These all things I have shown you in previous videos, that's why I am doing this fast now. So if you are not watched that video, if you missed that video, don't worry, I will be providing the link into the description, and watch that videos. Okay, thank you so much. In this way we can create the text box and insert into the any of the post and make the post beautiful and wonderful. Thank you for listening me. Hope you are liking this Canva series, and please how to questions post kar dijiye so that we can make a good stuff for you. Thank you for cooperating, and please like, share and comment करना ना भूलिए. Thank you. Have a nice day.